If you want to access Replit for free, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the simplest way to get to the free option inside Replit so you can start using it without confusion. This is perfect if you're new to Replit, testing it out for the first time, or just trying to make sure you're selecting the free plan the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Replit. Once you're on the Replit website, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the Agents dropdown. The layout can change a little depending on updates, but the option you need is usually easy to spot near the lower right area. Click on the Agents dropdown to open the available choices. In that list, look for the free option. This is the setting you want if you're trying to access Replit without upgrading to a paid plan. Select free, and Replit will switch you to the free experience. If prompted to confirm anything, just follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you stay on the free choice. That's really all there is to it. Once you've selected free, you can continue exploring Replit and start using the platform at no cost. This is a very simple step, but it's important because many users miss the dropdown or don't realize the free option is tucked away in the bottom right corner. So again, go to Replit, open the Agents dropdown in the bottom right, and choose free. If this saved you time, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials, app tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.